I have never been a morning person, and if you find this video, just know it's past 12 o'clock and I've just woken up from sleep. Welcome to my first ever day in the life of a 27-year-old girl who is married and very messy. I'm a very messy person, so yeah, just get to know me. And today I'm doing a day in my life because I have chosen to change my ways, be a better person this new year, and do things by my way. Though I'm not going on the strict diet or anything, but I hope that I get to wake up early. I get to do stuff that I'm supposed to do, because if you live in the UK, you know that when it is cold, I'm in winter, I feel like the day is not enough because I feel so tired getting out of bed because of how cold it is. But guess what? I'm putting myself up to a challenge that I sleep early and I wake up early, because I do not sleep early, which is why I wake up really tired. And I'm putting my health first, I'm putting my looks first, which is I'm going back to working out. I do a home workout because I don't know about you, but I hate going to the gym, because if you're an introvert, you feel like every person in the gym is looking at you, which is not true. But I am a perfectionist, and if I'm not doing things right, I feel like people are looking at me. So good thing to start is tidying up my space. Stop being messy, Ella. Stop being messy. I hope you get that. And yeah, I'm going to arrange my perfume tray. I think there are some things here that need to go away. I need to declutter some of them. Some are finished, some I do not wear them, so I just want to get rid of them and arrange my lip glosses as well. Speaking of changes, I'm not going to set myself up for failure, but I hope that I'm able to show up here as much as I should, and I'll put out my content, and I hope that you guys like it. This page is about skincare, self-care, beauty, and I'll be putting out as much content as I should, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Just take a look at my perfume tray, guys. Do you have any of this perfume in your collection? I love most of this perfume, and some of them I don't. Some of them smells like urine. Some of them are overhyped, but I got it. And some of them I'm just using it because I want it to finish. I mean, they are not cheap, at least to me. And draw myself back from being an obsessed perfume girly, because I was getting obsessed with perfumes. If you're a Nigerian living in the UK and you know you cook almost every day, how are you dealing with mold and condensation? Like, I have dehumidifier. I try to clean my windows every time, but it still won't go away. Like, the mold is real. I mean, the dehumidifier has helped me reduce it a bit, but how do you guys cope? Let me know in the comment section, because this is heavy. Like, I mean, if you cook every day, you are going to retain more moisture. That's what I think. But I open my window, I do this and that, and it is -4 degrees. I can't be opening windows right now, honestly. Like I said, this house just won't be fun with my assistant. It's taking the trash out, and some of this need to go to their right places, because I said in the beginning of this video, I'm a messy person. I might use something and I just leave it there. So that's why you always find things here and there in my house now. Going straight to the right place, and I'll be getting my water ready, because I have to drink a lot, and because we're making healthy changes this year, make healthier choices and repeat. And yay, it is time to work out. One thing I am so looking forward to this year is to have that banging body that I want. I mean, I have a beautiful body, I have a beautiful skin, but I carry all my weight in my belly. Like, how crazy is that? I carry all my weight in my belly, and if there's one thing I just detest about weight gain, is those foods at your back. Like, and all this exercise is targeted at my big belly and my back. Like, my back, the foods are crazy. And let me tell you something, I always have like open back clothes, and it is, to me, I don't think it's cute with folded back, like those back folds here. So this is why I'm working out. If I cannot go to the gym, I can always go to YouTube here to help me get the right exercise. This is Brian Zuski, by the way. I love his exercises. He's a guy, and I think this exercise is targeted at belly. But every time I have done this exercise, it has helped me all over my body. It has helped lower my belly and my back. Like, it trims my back tremendously, and I'll just leave you to enjoy. Workout is done. It lasted for about 30 minutes, and I'm just going to go take a shower. Fenty lip glosses are by far one of my favorite lip glosses as someone with dark lips. I picked it up and I've never put it down. Body Al Hood Honor and Glory by Latafa is a perfume that I have a mixed relationship with. I don't know if I like it or not, but I just use it for errands and I was going to go get something. If you enjoyed this vlog, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I made myself dinner, by the way, and it was delicious.